Hey guys, it's Kamikaze Creeper here, and today I got Traincraft. What Traincraft adds in is basically steam locomotives, like the JNR, or diesels, like the SD70s, or the Charger, or whatever. Basically, like I can get myself like an SD70 BNSF, which I hear the zombies is busting at the door. The zombies busting at my front door. No, all put together a lumber car train. What? I didn't think I heard a stupid villager who opened the door. What an idiot. Lag. Very bad lag. Lag. Hate the lag. Minecraft. It just crashed. LOL.
What just crashed?
Minecraft. Well, so it'll take me a while. So, let me start back up.
How many recordings have you gone through?
I've gone through a couple. So
Yeah, that's good.
that's failed recording. I'll possibly post. I've actually made some failed recordings, which I might put up for my failures, or screw ups. Hey, sorry about that. That was my brother, who's annoying.
Hey, you did the same thing in my video. Why were you playing?
Why am I Steve? Not my
Lieutenant Steve. You're Jerome in his Xbox series.
Like, sometimes. What the heck? What's that villager doing right outside town? Dude, you're gonna. It's like, hey, you just got murdered. I mean, you're gonna ask for murdering with a testificate. Or, you know what? I'll let you go because testificates are like retarded creatures.
Don't use that word.
Can you just be quiet?
No.
You just switched over to a tank car. 1, 2. I sometimes like to count.
How to count to 2.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Get out of here. Get up. Get up. Get out of here and gone. Wow, what have you done to this village?
Wreck! Here's the train station. Or the VIA. Has anybody ever heard of the VIA?
No.
Canada's passenger train service?
What? You're not Canadian yet.
I'll be Canadian in about 18 years. Possibly less than. Possibly like in 10 years.
10 year? Yeah, so where's your tenor gonna be?
What?
What are you gonna do for your 10th anniversary of working in Canada?
Grill. Bacon.
Oh.
I like Canadian bacon.
What about American bacon?
American bacon doesn't taste as good as Canadian bacon.
You tried Canadian yet?
I'm not an Arab.
We already tried Canadian bacon?
What the heck? It says new carts, new train. Why does it say a tank cart? Just keep uncoupling. Stop uncoupling. Attaching mode for a tank car. Attaching mode for another tank car. Attaching mode for a tank car.
I think we're good.
Zombies. Stupid villager.
Zombie.
Oh, cool. Zombie testificates.
That's not cool. I'm sorry.
It's awesome.
It's I'm sorry, but let me check the time. Oh yeah, it's about 1:15. Not interesting. I'm sorry, but it's not me. It's the time.
What the heck? I just keep on uncoupling it.
Keep on coupling.
Try to leave. Mom!
Yeah, that's satellite. Yeah, At least I made your video more interesting.
I'm tired of this busting. Finally, some peace and quiet in my testificate homeland. Nah.
No.
Fine. My brother is being annoying.
Stop.
Stop with this new car.
Which one of you caused all this dust? General? Martha Cola? Good. Grant, did you restart your recording yet?
Right now, this train will be 30 cars, which is good enough. What the heck? Why is there BNSF? I see something in front. Get out of here. Your BNSF locomotive. Which I'm driving a train in the Class 1 railroad. Press R. If you want to press R to get in there, you press R to get the diesel. Wow, this is a really efficient locomotive. Really efficient. This takes very little diesel, and it goes. It only goes about 18 kilometers per hour, which burns about 80,000 gallons. What the heck? What did I just hit? Bad Canadian National locomotive. Bad. Train. Stop copying me, Trent.
Never, or that's not happening.
Quarter past, shut up.
Don't use that type of language.
Well, my brother's being annoying.
Remember, Grant. Donuts.
Donuts? They taste like crap. Imagine a disgusting jelly-filled donut. Don't taste like crap. I'd rather take a jelly-filled donut and put it on the Canadian National and just watch it just get ran over by a Canadian National hopper car train. That'd be awesome. What if you can actually see my reflection? But I can actually do it.
The donuts, slice them out. That's it.
No, Trent. The wheel would just smush it. By the way, with train hopping, that would do this. Trent, can you just be quiet? So right now, I am doing the train. It says 8:22 out of 15 minutes. I got 7 minutes left. Come on! Go, 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 go! So my train looks like just tankcars. By the way, also my schedule will be like I'll possibly even do like rarely I'll actually do like 2 mods in one. Why don't you just put magnetic dye in there? Now it's like gravel or potash. There's an actual thing that exists, but it sounds wrong. Try to go. Hurry up, train. We got all night and we got all morning. No, I'm parking this train right now. And by the way, I will possibly be starting up the YouTube channel after this. Because I'm basically recording it. Then I'll set up a YouTube account.
I promise I will link it in one of my descriptions.
Okay, so on honk the horn. Trenton, can you shut up? Here's my brother.
Hi, dudes.
Really? Try and get out of here. It's not Comedy Central.
Everything's Comedy Central.
Shut up. We don't need a Comedy Central. We don't need a Comedy Central. We don't need a Comedy. Then she's like talking about Comedy Central. Oh yeah, what about South Park? That's one of the most ridiculous songs I've ever heard. I don't even know why they created it. Okay, bye-bye. Oh wait.
Turtles.
No.
And remember, pumpkin pie.
Trinity, get out of here.
Okay, you're done.
Hey, no. No.
I'm gonna figure out how to FaceTime.
It's basically, we'll be taking it over to the next town. And tomorrow, I'll possibly be doing the whole line. And by taking it in a diesel locomotive, or a steam locomotive. And I'll be taking it on a flat car. Jerking motions from entering onto a passing track. Wow, it's only 11:31. Right now the time is 3:57, but it won't be when this video is uploaded. Oh, and by the way, actually back in school, I actually said this funny thing. Like, it was back on Wednesday, and I actually said, I want a pork chop. And by the way, in Minecraft, I prefer the pork chops over steak, and I prefer it over pumpkin pie. Yeah, let me get the pork chop. Pork chop. I just got rid of the pork chop. Oh, pork chop, pork chop, pork chop. I love pork chops. What is the cow doing? He's like dancing right by the train. That guy must be the Canadian National.
You won't be able to make it to your next town within the time you have remaining.
Don't worry, I can do it. Stop. So, you know what? Maybe I'll end the video here and see you guys later.